How to track order on AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. If you want to track orders on AliExpress, first of all, you want to open the AliExpress app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the account option at the bottom of your screen. From here, you will find the My Orders section. Tap on View All. Now, you want to select your order. For this, locate the specific order you want to track. Now, click on Details. Then, you will find the option of Track Order. Tap on that and you will be able to see the current status of your package. There is another method as well. For the second method, you want to head over to global.kainow.com. On this box, you want to enter your tracking number, then tap on the track option. And with these two ways, you will be able to track order on AliExpress. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.